Unveiling the mysteries of Ghosts of the Silent Hills. Ghosts of the Silent Hills is a captivating collection penned by Anita Krishan, delving into the realm of supernatural folklore. Through her evocative storytelling, Krishan explores airy tales deeply rooted in the mysterious traditions of the Silent Hills region. The book intricately weaves themes of fear, the supernatural, and the profound influence of environment on folklore. These narratives not only chill the spine but also reflect on how local tales shape the community's perception of the world around them. The setting of the Silent Hills is central to the allure and terror of these stories. Described as mist-covered landscapes with lingering shadows, the hills provide a perfect backdrop for the supernatural events that unfold within the pages. In the first story, readers are introduced to an abandoned village within the Silent Hills. The chilling encounter experienced by the protagonist sets a precedent for the supernatural occurrences that define the rest of the collection. The second story draws heavily from local legends, crafting a narrative that feels both ancient and immediate. These tales, passed down through generations, form the backbone of the community's airy folklore, enriching the story's atmospheric tension. In the third tale of Ghosts of the Silent Hills, atmospheric tension is masterfully crafted through descriptive, Shadowladen language that blankets the Silent Hills. The dense fog and whispers of wind contribute to a feeling of isolation, amplifying the suspense as the protagonist navigates the unknown terrain. The fourth story delves into the psychological turmoil experienced by characters confronted with the supernatural. Their responses vary from denial to terror, providing a deep exploration of human emotion. This narrative technique enriches the story, making the supernatural events more impactful and relatable. Historical context is elegantly woven into the fifth narrative, offering readers a glimpse into the past of the Silent Hills. Through tales of ancient rituals and forgotten tragedies, this story not only enriches the setting but also deepens the airy quality of the landscape. Storytelling emerges as a pivotal theme in the sixth narrative, highlighting its role in preserving local folklore. The characters recount tales passed down through generations, serving both as a bridge to the past and a mirror reflecting their collective fears. The seventh story brilliantly blurs the lines between reality and the supernatural, challenging the reader's perception of what is truly possible. This narrative questioning makes the events that unfold even more gripping, as one is left wondering where truth ends and fiction begins. The eighth story in Ghosts of the Silent Hills reaches a dramatic climax that leaves the reader breathless. As the protagonist confronts the ghost haunting the old mill, the tension peaks, merging fear with a desperate curiosity about the spirit's unresolved past. In the ninth tale, themes of loss and redemption weave through the narrative, offering a poignant contrast to the book's earlier stories. This story delves into the ghost's history, uncovering a tale of misplaced love and the quest for spiritual peace. The tenth narrative expertly blurs the lines between reality and the supernatural, challenging the reader's perception. As characters interact with the ghostly inhabitants of Silent Hills, one begins to question what is truly real and what is imagined. Atmospheric tension is masterfully employed in the 11th story, where the setting itself, a fog-laden lake, becomes a character. This misty backdrop enhances the chilling sense of isolation, making every shadow and sound a source of spine-tingling suspense. The 12th story utilizes a clever mix of suspense and surprise to keep the reader engaged. When a seemingly predictable ghost hunt turns into a genuine encounter with the supernatural, it shifts the narrative unexpectedly, renewing intrigue and terror. In the 13th tale of Ghosts of the Silent Hills, the narrative masterfully intertwines the realms of the living and the spirits. Through vivid descriptions and haunting encounters, The story challenges the boundaries of our understanding, highlighting how closely intertwined our world is with that of the ethereal. The setting plays a crucial role in cultivating fear in the 11th story. The Silent Hills, shrouded in mist and secrecy, become almost a character in their own right. This backdrop enhances the chilling encounters, making each shadow and sound a source of heart-pounding suspense. The 12th story skillfully uses suspense and surprise to keep readers on the edge of their seats. By introducing unexpected twists and revealing hidden truths at just the right moments, the narrative maintains a gripping tension that compels readers to devour each word. Moral lessons emerge subtly yet powerfully in the 13th narrative. The tale serves as a reminder of the consequences of our actions and the importance of respect and understanding for the unseen forces and legends that shape our cultures. The 14th story delves into how cultural beliefs shape our perceptions of the paranormal. It explores the varied ghostly traditions across cultures, providing a rich tapestry of fear and respect for the supernatural that influences how characters and readers alike view the ghostly apparitions. As readers navigate the pages of Ghosts of the Silent Hills, they embark on a journey through fear, belief, and intrigue. Each story weaves a complex tapestry of emotions and experiences, challenging perceptions of reality and inviting deep personal reflection on the supernatural. In conclusion, Ghosts of the Silent Hills leaves a profound impact on its audience, securing its place in the realm of supernatural literature. This collection not only entertains but also enriches, offering a haunting exploration of the human condition through the lens of ghostly folklore. Read full content of the book by purchasing the book by following the link given in the comments section.